In today's video, you'll learn how to enhance your vocabulary by replacing the word very with more precise and impactful alternatives. These vocabulary upgrades will not only make your English sound more natural and expressive, but they're also especially helpful if you're preparing for the IELTS exam. Let's get started. Very tired. Exhausted. Exhausted. He was very tired after the long fight. He was exhausted after the long flight. Very bad. Terrible. Terrible. The weather was very bad today. The weather was terrible today. Very cold. Freezing. Freezing. It's very cold outside today. It's freezing outside today. Very happy. Elated. Elated. He felt very happy when he got the job offer. He felt elated when he got the job offer. Very hungry. Starving. Starving. I'm very hungry after that workout. I'm starving after that workout. Very slow. Sluggish. Sluggish. The internet is very slow today. The internet is sluggish today. Very noisy. Deafening. Deafening. The concert was very noisy. The concert was very deafening. Very boring. Mind-numbing. Mind-numbing. That lecture was very boring. That lecture was mind-numbing. Very hot. Scorching. Scorching. It was very hot in the desert. It was scorching in the desert. Very ugly. Hideous. Hideous. The monster was very ugly. The monster was hideous. Very funny. Hilarious. The movie was very funny. The movie was hilarious. Very neat. Immaculate. Immaculate. Her room was very neat. Her room was immaculate. Very shy. Timid. Timid. The child was very shy around strangers. The child was timid around strangers.